What if I told you the universe isn't made of solid things, but of probabilities, energy fields, and particles that vanish and reappear like magic? Welcome to the world of quantum physics, the science that explains the unexplainable. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about quantum physics in simple terms, no math degree required. Let's explore how this weird science shapes our world, powers your smartphone, and may even rewrite the future. Quantum physics, also called quantum mechanics, is the branch of science that studies the smallest particles in the universe, things like electrons, photons, and quarks. While regular physics explains how baseballs fly or why planets orbit the sun, quantum physics deals with particles smaller than atoms, and the rules down there are completely different. They don't move in straight lines. They exist in clouds of probability. They teleport, and they don't follow cause and effect the way we expect. Here are the core principles of quantum physics that'll blow your mind. 1. Wave-particle duality. Light can behave as both a wave and a particle. The same is true for matter. This means an electron can act like a tiny marble or like a ripple in a pond depending on how you measure it. This was proven by the famous double-slit experiment, where particles fired through two slits created interference patterns as if they were waves, not particles. 2. Superposition. This might be the most bizarre of all. A particle can exist in multiple states at once until it's observed. Imagine flipping a coin, but until you look, it's both heads and tails at the same time. That's superposition. This is the principle behind quantum computers, which use qubits that can be 0, 1, or both at the same time, making them insanely powerful. 3. Entanglement. Two particles can become entangled, meaning whatever happens to one instantly affects the other, even across vast distances. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, and even he didn't like it. But it's real, and scientists have used it in experiments across continents. 4. Quantum tunneling. In the quantum world, particles can sometimes tunnel through barriers they shouldn't be able to pass, kind of like walking through a wall. This isn't science fiction, it's how flash memory and microchips work. Without quantum tunneling, your phone wouldn't exist. 5. The observer effect. Here's the wildest part. Just by observing a particle, you can change its state. In quantum physics, reality itself depends on whether you're looking. Before you measure a particle, it exists in all possible states. Once you measure it, it collapses into one outcome. You might think this sounds like science fantasy, but quantum physics is all around you. It's used in lasers, GPS systems, MRI scanners, solar panels, and nearly every modern electronic device. And it's powering the next revolution. Quantum computing will solve problems no supercomputer today can touch. Quantum encryption may make data totally unhackable. And some scientists believe quantum physics could even explain consciousness, the multiverse, or the origin of the universe itself. So why does quantum physics feel so strange? Because it completely breaks the rules of classical physics. In the classical world, things are either here or there. Objects have definite speed and position. The future is predictable like clockwork. But in the quantum world, particles can be in two places at once. You can never know a particle's exact position and speed at the same time. That's called the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. And probability, not certainty, rules everything. Quantum physics doesn't just change how we build tech, it changes how we understand reality. Quantum physics forces us to ask big questions. Is the universe deterministic or random? Do particles exist before we observe them? Could we be living in a simulation? Is there only one universe, or infinite parallel ones? And here's the thing. We're still learning. Even today's top physicists don't have all the answers. Quantum physics remains a frontier of mystery and discovery. So there you have it, everything you need to know about quantum physics in one video. What it is, the strangest core principles, how it powers the modern world, and how it challenges our understanding of reality. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more bite-sized science that makes you think. Drop a comment. What's your favorite or weirdest fact about quantum physics? Thanks for watching, and remember, in the quantum world, the more you look, the stranger it gets.